What you're looking at here is a Hunter Reverse-aire original, black and brass. The model is 22452. Looks like it's dated May of 1981. I got this fan at a restore in, I can't remember, somewhere in Michigan, but it was just a motor. But then later on I got all the other parts to complete it, including these nice Reverse-aire blade arms. Here's low. I might put a light kit on this in the future. This might be a fan that stays up here for a long time. It's nice. It's a nice fan. It's decent finish. This used to be my room. Don't know if I mentioned that in any of my old videos. This used to be my room because you can see the stars on the ceiling. That was a very good indication that this was my room. There's still a mark from there is a ceiling, a light in here, which is weird because it's been like that for a while. We're gonna go to high. It's a pretty good air mover. I'll try it one day. I'll try it. In another video, I might try with the Reverse-aire feature. So I'm not too sure at the moment how to use it. Ball chain seems to be. Might just put a schoolhouse light on there. Yeah, I got this motor I think for like $5, and then I found all the other parts to complete it. Now it's a working fan. It's been in my basement for quite a while, since last summer, so I just decided to pull it out and put it up. I replaced the key largo that was in here. Right now off. Oh no, the switch cap is not original. I don't think it came. The newer switch cap. I'm just putting that on there. It's from my Taiwan original, but I have to make. I'm gonna make a video of that too when I get the U-bolt up. But I have a Taiwan original that needs to be videoed. Alright, you just use the switch cap for now. Alright, and there you have it. There was my Reverse-aire original. Thanks for watching.